So the crypto market is doing a whole lot of nothing right now. And I just wanted to talk about where things are and kind of give you an update on where I stand with crypto so that people that have been watching my channel, that have been maybe solely watching my channel, because I haven't done a video in a while, can have an update of how I'm feeling, right? That I didn't just give up on crypto. I have seen some comments where people are like, why, you know, hasn't he made a video? Does he have anything to talk about? And honestly, with things moving the way that they are, kind of slightly up, slightly down, not really in the best spot possible. No, I don't necessarily have a crazy amount to say this and this and this is happening with cryptocurrency. But I wanted to talk about where I stand kind of with crypto and hopefully you guys can resonate with it. Hopefully we can get a firm stance on where things are going and what I plan to make from crypto as well as what I plan to do with my cryptocurrency. So if you could, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Let me turn this on even though it's after the holidays, but we have a Christmas party or a later Christmas that we're going to today. So let me just put these lights on here. But make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my links down below for Patreon or Twitter. If you guys are interested in checking out my link down below for BTCC, feel free to do so. It's a phenomenal platform to where you can leverage trade, especially where we are right now with Bitcoin at lowish levels, at with BNB and XRP and many other things that are not at the highest levels that they've been at. You have a lot of opportunity to make a decent amount of money while leverage trading. So feel free to check out my link for BTCC down below. If you specifically use my link, you will get a 10% deposit bonus on your first time deposit. Also, you'll get extra bonuses up to $10,055. Up to 40% lower trading fees, and they still have a giveaway going on until the 31st of December. So you want to put your name in the hat for that. All you have to do is sign up, deposit, and trade, and you will be entered to win the giveaway. Now, the giveaway is going out to two winners. They will be getting 500 USDT apiece. So long as you do all those different steps and you do get selected as those winners. So anyways, check it out. Link is down below at the top of the description. You don't want to miss out on that opportunity. Now, when it comes to the crypto market, again, I haven't done much. I think it's been like 3 or 4 days since I have even uploaded. But where we stand with crypto, it currently is at about a $3 trillion market cap, 2.98 to be specific. We are slightly up in the last 24 hours. When we look at the CMC 20, which is looking at a 20 index DTF, right? So it's sitting at 185.51. We haven't seen much movement because we haven't seen a lot of movement in the crypto market overall. I'm invested into that. I want to see that flourish. It's kind of like an ETF on the side of crypto, right? Where you're investing into multiple things or invested into the broader market. So it's currently up by 1.26%. The last 7 days up by 0.33% with only a $6.4 million market cap. I think that should be worth a lot more as you're looking at the top cryptocurrencies in the market, so long as people want to invest into this coin or this ETF or DTF. So Bitcoin is actually up by 0.5%. You can see a lot of things that are slightly up. It's at an $87,000 price. And what's crazy is if we looked at Bitcoin a while ago and we said $87,000 price, many people would be like, that's way too high. That's way too high. It's going to collapse and we're going to see it back down to 20,000 or 15,000 or 10,000 in some cases. But that's not the case here. Many people look at this as a steal because it was at a $120,000 price. So seeing this and seeing the potential future of where this is going, a lot of people are like, yeah, you know what? This is a steal price. I don't own any Bitcoin unless it gets down to an insanely low level. That's where I'll buy into it for just primarily the gain, not necessarily of what it's going to do or its use case or anything like that. Ethereum sitting at $3,000. I still think that is a steal as well. I still own a decent amount of Ethereum. Also BNB, after reaching 1,000 plus dollar price point. This isn't necessarily the steal price, but it's still a lower price than what you saw as the high. You have room above it. Same thing goes for XRP. It's sitting below $2. We saw this at a $3.65 price, almost breaking the all-time high. Solana, $124 price point. I think that's honestly not a really bad price. I have it, I think, at like a $100 price point for my cost basis. I'll correct myself later on if I see that. Tron is sitting at 28 cents. You have Dogecoin at 12 cents, 12 and a half cents. Chainlink at $12.50 as well. You're looking at Litecoin at about $80, Avalanche at $12.73. I think that is a steal price. If I was to say anything is a steal price, I think SUI is a good price and where it stands. I think that Kronos is a good price below the 10 cent level. So again, there's a lot. There's a lot that we're looking at, and we're like, these have the potential chance to really run. And that's kind of what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing it as so much opportunity in the market. So if you have not entered the market yet, if you're a person that's not involved in the market, it makes sense that you find some opportunities that are steal prices, that are at very low lows. ADA, I think, is a absolute amazing price. AVAX, I think, is a absolute amazing price as well. I think Kronos is at a good price. I think there are many others that you can look at and go, these are closer to the low than they are to the high. And it gives me a lot of opportunity when you do see that altcoin season. Now, this is not to say and guarantee that we are going to see this altcoin season happen soon. I believe we will, but it's not a guarantee, especially with a lot of people that are doing the same thing. We're all waiting around. We're all waiting for crypto to flourish, for altcoins to start flying, and we're not yet seeing that. So what we're either seeing is people waiting around or people getting impatient and just selling because they just want to get out of the positions, and they don't want to see them get caught in the bear market. I don't necessarily care about getting caught in the bear market, right? I would like to see lower prices, and as I have more buying opportunity to buy more cryptocurrency, I don't know why every time during the downtime in the market, I don't necessarily have a crazy amount of funds to throw into the market. And I think I do know the reason why. When I get any type of free funds, I like it to be invested immediately, whether it's in crypto or it's in my dividend account or it's somewhere else, right? I like to make sure that that money is working for me. So most times that I have any free money, let's say I gained $500,000 right now, and let's say only 20% of it was taxable, right? And I'm looking at $400,000, right? That $400,000 would then be invested immediately, where then comes a bear market and now I don't have any funds to invest, right? Because I like to make sure that my money is working for me immediately. So that's my problem. I don't know what these kids are stomping up there for, but they are. I think they got this bouncy thing for Christmas, so that's probably what it is. But anyways, that's where the crypto market stands. I think there's a lot of people that are waiting around, and there's some other people that are getting impatient and maybe selling some. But we will see, the institutional volume that will start to get more steady on the buying side. The ETFs, all-encompassing ETFs, the government support, the use cases, we'll see all those things come. And I hope that 2026, we do see a major altcoin season, a major push for cryptocurrency. But I want to know what you guys think. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. There's not much that's going on in the market here today, not much news, so I'm not going to just bore you with trying to throw some news your way. Just wanted to give you an update on where I stand with cryptocurrency. Still holding all my crypto, haven't sold any, haven't gotten impatient, and waiting it out as we do see the potential for altcoin season. So if you guys could hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, check out my link for BTCC down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.